Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're talking about the 2025 Jawa Perak, a bobber-style motorcycle that blends classic design with modern technology. If you love retro-styled bikes with a powerful engine and a unique road presence, the Perak is definitely worth checking out. Stick around as we go through its design, features, performance, and price. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe for more bike reviews. Starting with the design, the 2025 Jawa Perak retains its signature bobber styling but gets a few refinements to enhance its appeal. It features a low-slung, single-seat design with a floating saddle, giving it an old-school custom bike look. The matte black finish, round headlamp, and chopped fenders add to its aggressive stance. The blacked-out engine and exhaust, combined with gold pinstriping, give it a premium touch. The bike's frame has been slightly tweaked for better ergonomics, ensuring a comfortable yet commanding riding posture. Moving to the features, Jawa has introduced some modern updates while keeping the classic feel intact. The 2025 Perak now gets a fully digital instrument cluster, replacing the previous semi-digital setup. It displays speed, fuel level, trip meter, and gear position, making it more convenient for riders. LED lighting has been improved for better visibility, with a redesigned headlamp that offers a brighter throw. The bike also comes with a USB charging port, a much-needed addition for long rides. Now, let's talk about performance. The 2025 Jawa Perak is powered by a 334cc, single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine that produces around 31 bhp and 32 Nm of torque. This engine is paired with a 6-speed gearbox for smooth and precise shifts. The tuning has been slightly refined to offer better low-end torque, making city rides more enjoyable while maintaining strong mid-range power for highway cruising. With its unique exhaust note, the Perak delivers an unmistakable, deep-throated sound that adds to its character. In terms of handling, the Perak's frame has been optimized for better stability and cornering ability. It comes with a telescopic fork at the front and a mono-shock suspension at the rear, ensuring a comfortable ride on different terrains. The low center of gravity provides excellent balance, making it easy to maneuver despite its muscular look. The braking system includes a 280mm front disc and a 240mm rear disc with dual-channel ABS, ensuring strong and safe braking performance. The 2025 Jawa Perak also comes with updated tires, offering better grip and durability. The spoke wheels retain the vintage charm, but the improved tubeless-compatible design enhances convenience. With a ground clearance of around 160mm, it strikes a good balance between ride comfort and road presence. Now, let's talk about the price. The 2025 Jawa Perak is expected to be priced around 2.20 lakh rupees to 2.30 lakh rupees ex-showroom. This makes it a strong competitor to bikes like the Royal Enfield Classic 350, Honda CB 350, and even the Harley-Davidson X440. Given its bobber styling and unique appeal, the Perak stands out in this price range. Overall, the 2025 Jawa Perak is a fantastic choice for riders who want a stylish, powerful, and unique motorcycle. With its retro-modern design, improved features, and refined performance, it continues to be one of the most attractive bobbers in the Indian market. Whether you're looking for a bike for daily rides or weekend cruising, the Perak delivers a thrilling experience. That's it for today's review. What do you think about the new Jawa Perak? Would you pick this over its rivals? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more bike reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.